Blessed day. You know Tiff is not good at intros. Okay, jumping in. I went to Walmart. I spent approximately like 55 bucks to show you this full face products I've never used before that you can get at your local Walmart. So stay tuned, watch what I got, look and see how they apply. Do you want them? Do you hate them? Do you love them? We're gonna find out. Here we go.
First product, e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. I am really liking this, I do have to say. I've been using it ever since this video comes out. Green really helps with that redness. Loving. Next is Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Check this out. It's applying quite nicely, quite evenly. It comes out kind of like a mousse texture. There is going to just be a little bit of confusion coming up here because I'm pretty sure it says full coverage, large and in charge on the front of the packaging. As we go on, I'm confused because I am still seeing all my redness and spots coming through. I'm going back in with the brush to build this foundation, and I do have to say it was buildable and it still feels light, which I love. Now going in with Rimmel Lasting Finish Concealer, 24-hour wear. This concealer is only about 5 bucks, and let me tell you what, it really did surprise me. It's lightweight, it definitely was blendable. I love this concealer. I used it to highlight my highlighted areas of the face, and no creasing. Let me just add, no creasing, ladies. Amen. Now remember, guys, I have not tried any of these products, and so far, so good. Using the Wet n Wild contouring palette, we are going to set down our concealer. Set. This powder looks yellow, but didn't come off yellow at all. I was really excited. Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil, $2.93. 3 bucks, people. $3. And let me just say, it was so easy to use. So easy. I said $3. In case you didn't hear. $3. 3 bucks. Here's our contouring palette again. I'm going in with the dark side to give myself a slight bronze / contour. I was very impressed. For such cheap powder, you would think that you would get a chalky, hard to blend powder. No, not at all. This blended so easily. That's my e.l.f. brush, by the way. Super cheap. It blended phenomenal. So proud. Adding some of that light powder to the inside of your eye is just going to brighten your eye and make it pop. Ooh, Peach Punch Blush. That's a tongue twister. It's supposed to smell like peach. I don't know. You be the judge. Look at that pigment. Wow. For our eyes, I'm just going to keep going with the products I purchased. These are all brand new products to me. And makeup has no rules, right? So I'm using those powders on my eyes. They seem to be doing the job just as well. Going in with my finger, I'm going to pat that blush into the eyelid. It's going to give me more pigment than if I were to use a brush. Because again, these aren't eyeshadows, it's just a blush. Blend, blendy blend. Blending is our friend. Going in and blending that last part. Ooh, Flower Beauty Lash Warrior Mascara. Boy, do I get jazzed over mascara. Again, I don't have nothing bad to say. This Flower Beauty mascara was so good. It does have a dense brush, so that means it's there to separate and volumize your lashes, so you might have to go in and build it up, which is fine. L'Oreal Pro Matte Liquid Lip Dose of Coco. This is their chocolate scented lip line, and boy, I am loving it. The applicator made it super easy to apply to the lips. It applies kind of tacky. You can build it and then give it a couple minutes and it will then turn to matte. so proud. Last, a $4 setting spray. You heard it. Salon Perfect. This is a matte setting spray, and it smells phenomenal. It really did work also. For $4, I will take it. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye-bye.